anyone can make sushi rolls quickly and easily. It takes time to get used to making sushi rolls, and the final results vary by person. Keeping consistent quality is hard work. Sushi Roll machine makes it quick and easy for anyone. A rice sheet comes out, then put nori and fillings on it. Just press the button and it rolls up. That's all. Quick and easy. Decorate sushi rolls as you like. User-friendly operation can help a labor shortage situation. Let's make sushi rolls quick and easy.